A bowl of candy for Halloween? You've got to be kidding me. What you guys need is a candy cannon. We're gonna give this thing a test. I've got my safety glasses on. I'll step back a couple yards. You guys let it fly. We've got a perfect two-man fire team over there. We're gonna see how many shots they can rattle off. Hopefully I don't die. Let's do it. Well, that's our candy cannon. It certainly hurts a little bit. You don't want to get hit with that thing.
It's powered by a Craftsman gas-powered two-stroke leaf blower, 27cc. We mainly use it on full throttle, and this is my loader.
He's the loader. It's a breech load. He's got little enough fingers he can put the candy in there.
Yeah.
But he has to eat a few every now and then. But that's how you make a candy cannon from a leaf blower. It sure beats having a bowl of candy sitting out. And it might deter some kids.
Here you go.
Is that for Bubba?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. We're the Thompsons, and thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. It's cold. We better go inside.
It's not that cold, Dad.
It's pretty cold. I don't have the cold tolerance that you have.
It's not cold.
Okay, we can stay outside.
Let me shoot it at the street from here. Yeah.